our last company for this morning is Zhongshan Puwo, Zhaoming. Zhongshan Puwo Lighting. Hi.
Hello.
Hello, Mandy.
Yes.
Hi, nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Yeah.
Okay, we would like to know more about you, so let's start our break.
Okay. This is Mandy from Zhongshan Puwo Lighting Company. Let me make the short introduction of our company. We are manufacturers in LED commercial lighting, especially is LED panel light and LED downlight and LED floodlight. This is mainly for is like used in shop, in supermarket, mainly used. So it's used in commercial place, and we are mainly our products mainly sales to is overseas, like Malaysia, Thailand,
Malaysia.
Yeah, and also have India, and also have Saudi Arabia, Turkey, and have Spain, like Brazil, and so on. From our factories established in 2010 until now, so we about sales to 40 countries, have a sale to many countries, and mainly is for commercial lighting, like indoors decoration. Also, like the floodlight is for the outdoor lighting. So now our factory have 7,000 square meter located in Zhongshan City, Henan Town. Is near to the famous lighting town Guzhen. Is go by the cars is about 15 to 20 minutes, and 15 to 20 minutes. And we have a professional teams for we have professional teams for the for production the LED from like the housing to the whole light, and we will ensure the qualities for all of our clients. So we highly pay attention to the quality. And the missions of our company is to provide good quality products and service for all of our customers, and with a long-term business. And now I will go to introduce our products.
Yeah, please.
Yes. Now I bring this one is the LED panel light. LED panel light, and this is the round one, and also have the square one. This one, this is the all products, but popular in all the market. And this one have from the small power 3 watt to the 24 watt. We have a production.
That's very wide range, from 3 watt to 24 watt.
Yes, from 3, 6, and 9, and 15, and 18, and 24, and also have this type. This one is the same type LED panel light, but mainly this is by ceiling, and this is open the cup side. So both different use. This one needs to open the cup side, and this one no need. This one will still now we production over 8 years, so we have a competitive price and with standard quality. This is, and
so
also
the installation is different.
Yes, and also have a let me introduce the two types of our new products for the now the popular in the market. For this one is can adjustable. So about so we can open the cup side within the dimension. So and can use in the small hole and bigger hole. It is easy. So customers no worries about how to open how big the size the cup size. This for this one now is popular, and for this one have a 4 size, have the different power, have the 9 watt and have the 15 watt and have a 22 and 32 have a 4 power, and also have the size is different. It have the cup size from the minimum model cup size is 55 and for this one is the bigger one is 205 for the cup size.
So the
this is, and this one is for frameless.
Frameless.
When we compare, this one have the frame, and this one is frameless. And also customer can make like the isolate driver and non-isolate depends on what they need. And also the lumen. This one is it can be higher lumen because it's the backside light and the LEDs in the backside, so it can lumen will higher than this type the normal one. So this one now is popular in the market.
I see.
Let me introduce another one.
So maybe I want to do a short summary for the product you introduced, the new product you introduced just now, because I like it. I really like it because it's very friendly to the installation.
Yeah.
Right? It's with adjustable to the hole size that no matter what's the hole size on the ceiling, you could adjust to fit. And also it's with spring and frameless, and also have 4 size for available and different voltage available for choice. This is a really great product. Okay, here you go.
Yes.
So let's start the second one.
Yes, well, this one is now popular in the market. It can help customers save to make many stock for each item. And for also have this one. This one is the DOB type. It no need to have a driver. No need to make the driver, so it can save the cost. And this one is our own mode. This one also can make as it can also slim. Also it can adjustable.
Slide and adjustable for installation.
Yes, and it have another advantage is that it can also use. This is the bracket, and it can also make it to surface. It can save the cost and also help customer save the
installation cost.
Make stock. Yeah, no need to make too much stuff. For this one, it can slim and surface. And this one is the DOB type. It is DOB type. It have the capacitor and also have a different option. Different option. This one is no help for customer. depend they need, and this one is the cost is the lowest cost we make for the customer to choose. It have a PF 0.5 and have a 0.9. So
0.5 to 0.9.
Yeah, and also it also have a full power, same as this one. Night 15 and 22 and 32 for this type. So if any friends interesting, can let me know and can contact me for these products. And now I have another 2 products for the COB. This is the COB downlight. COB downlight. Yeah, for this one we now mainly sales to is to Dubai and Saudi markets is have a big quantity for this type. And it also has and Sufi. Yes. It also about the driver can depend on customer need. Have an isolate and non-isolate driver. And also we have a CE and CV and those certificates for customer. If they need, we can provide customer to do the certificate also. We do is OEM, so can according the customers require for this one. And now also have the floodlight. Floodlight, all of the floodlight we do is DOB. Is the without driver, so it can save the cost. The driver is make on the PCB, and it can save the cost. And for this one, the mainly one we do is full power. For this one, with full power and with the 2 years warranty. Also, the IP is 65. All of the floodlight we do IP is 65, and it can use in outside. It can use in outside and even have a raining. It's no problem. For water cannot go inside. We will make sure the quality for no to sure no when raining and put it in the water, it also can work for this one.
It will be functioning no problem, even though raining or even though in water. This is for outdoor light. And I was so surprised that it's the first time I heard that there's 20 years warranty. 20 years. Oh my God. This is the first time
2 years warranty. It's 2 years warranty. Sorry.
2 years.
Yes, okay. 2 years warranty.
Okay. And this is IP65, and also this is economic version because it's combined with the driver inside the LED bulb already. So no need additional driver, could save a lot of cost. Same as the second item that we introduced. That also is economic and with more competitive price because we don't need additional driver.
Yes.
That's brilliant.
Yes. For this, and also different type. Also have a different type. The glass different. This glass is not so clear, but this also now the type popular in the market.
For the plastic version.
Yes, and for this one is die casting aluminum. And just now I show you for this one is profile aluminum. It's different material, but both of these we also have do. Also have other types, and for both of these is the mainly products we do now. Popular customer buy have a big quantity, so I introduced to you.
All right. So the material you use is aluminum. So aluminum is a material that very suitable for outdoor use. From the oxygen from the sun, the air. This is a good material for outdoor.
Yes.
All right. So is it that's all the product you want to show us today?
Yes. The mainly products we do in our factory is welcome to visit our factory.
I think it's rather than the area you mentioned about like office or the parlor, a lot of area that could use this, like the hospital, a lot of public area.
Yes.
Right. You also use your product.
Yes.
Okay. So would you would you mind show us your contact so that our customer can get reach to you?
Okay. For this one, this is my lamp card. My phone is 150 and 0 and 760 5680. This is my lamp card, and also have the
WeChat code, so we could scan your WeChat.
Yes, welcome
and talk via WeChat.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Mandy. Thank you for the product you show us. It's very amazing. And welcome to show us next time when you have the new product, or next time you could walk us through the factory. We were very excited and expected to see more product and your factory.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, and see you next time.
See you.
Bye-bye.